So today in this video we shall factorize 5 minus 27 ab plus 10 a square b square. So here first expression 5 and last expression 10 a square b square is same. So now we keep here, divide this 27 ab into two forms. So 5 times 10 mean 50 and 25 times 2 mean also 50 and 25 plus 2 mean 27. That is minus 25 AB minus 2 AB. That is 27 AB and 25 times 2 mean 50. So now we find out the common factors in these both first expression and these both last expression. So in these both the common here is 5. So 5 came, remaining nothing, it means it is 1 minus 5 times 5 mean 25 and this AB. Like as the common in these both last expression minus 2 AB. So remaining here 12 minus 2ab already came, so it is 1 minus 2 times 5 mean 10, here is a square, 1 came, so that is ab. So now again we have to find out the common in first expression and last expression. So both contain 1 minus 5ab, so 1 minus 5ab and the remaining is in the first 5, in the last minus 2ab. So 1 minus 5ab and 5 minus 2ab are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.